We listen and we don't judge. Sephora gave us another 20% off, y'all. And this is for everybody. You don't just have to be Rouge. This is for everybody. But you do have to be a beauty insider. But y'all, I feel like they watched my last video and was like, psych. If y'all watched my last Sephora haul, you heard me say that was going to be my last Sephora haul of the year. But they gave us a 20% off code. I could not let it go to waste. So we're going to do a really quick rapid fire Sephora haul. I didn't go crazy because I know I don't need anything else. But we got some good stuff. 54 Thrones has a body wash that has been out of stock and they restocked it. I wanted to get the set. It had the body wash, the body cream, and there's like this body mitten, well, bath mitt that comes in the set. Sold out. So I went ahead and just got the body wash. This is how it looks. I just went ahead and got the big one because I feel like I'm gonna like it anyway. And plus the reviews on this was everything. Like I didn't see not one bad review on this body wash. So, okay, if I can open it. But yeah, the 20% off is up until, well, it's gonna still be going on by the time I post this video, but you have a few more days left until you can take advantage of it. But yeah, it's for everybody. As long as you're like a beauty insider, you can get 20% off. But it's only a one-time use. Like you can't use it over and over again like they usually do with their savings event. So yeah, that's the only downside about it. But anyway, this is the body wash. Let's smell it because everybody says it smells real. Oh, it has a seal on it. Everybody says it smells really good. Ooh, hold on. I can barely smell it. I smell a little bit of it, but it's kind of like, it's really thick. I have to put some on my hand. Ooh, that actually smells really good. The smell is really faint though. It's not strong, but it does smell really good. And the reason why it's so thick is because it's a buttercream. It's like a buttercream body wash. So very excited to try that out and see if I like it. And of course, I will let y'all know my thoughts. Topicals has a new soap, y'all. This is their brightening and cleansing bar. And it comes in a set of 2. And you can use this on your face or your body. I got it mostly for the body. I'm starting to get like back acne. So I feel like this will be really good for that. And it's unscented too, so that's pretty good. But yeah, it just comes in a set of 2. And I'll show you the soap itself there. It has the brand's name on it right there. And then the back is plain, but these are really cute. Really cute. Another product that I'll update you guys on once I start using it. Another one of these. I know I had to get it. This is the Summer Fridays Hydration Mist. You guys know I talk about this pretty much in every video. Every video that I posted this month, I have been talking about this stuff. But it's their hydration mist. I use it in my morning skincare routine, so I had to get me another one since, you know, I got the 20% off. Okay, I'm excited about this next thing, y'all. Laundry detergent. I can explain. Well, no, really, I can't explain. So, DedCool. DedCool. I always see this laundry detergent on Sephora. Don't ever get it because I'm like, why would I get a laundry detergent from Sephora? But I was in Sephora with Shanine the other day or the other week, and they have the fragrance in this laundry detergent. And she said that she wanted to get the laundry detergent, but she wanted to smell the fragrance to see if she would like the scent of the laundry detergent. You following me? Anyway, we smelled the fragrance and we really liked how it smelled. So I went ahead and put this in my cart while I was like, literally standing right there. This one is Taunt. It has notes of bergamot, vanilla, and ombre. So if you want to see what it smells, because I don't think they have them in any Sephora stores. You have to get this online. But they do have the fragrance inside Sephora. I don't think I would wear this as a fragrance, but I do like it as a laundry scent, if that makes sense. I'm trying to break the seal. Hold on. Oh, y'all, it's so good. So good. Yeah, I wouldn't want to wear this as a perfume. A candle? Maybe a candle, but not a perfume. This I want my clothes to smell like this. It's so good. So freaking good. But yeah, I'm excited for this, y'all. This, like, stuff like this has been exciting me lately. Like, just the things that I need, like home things, you know? So I'm excited for that. Speaking of fragrance, y'all, okay, so there's a new fragrance on Sephora. It's by the brand The Maker, and it's called Dream. Yeah, this has notes of sandalwood, vanilla bourbon, cinnamon butter. I don't know how I feel about that, but sounds very interesting. And the reviews were, almost all the reviews I read were good. So, and this is a good little size, good little travel size. But let's try it. Let's try it. Ah. Sometimes I can smell a fragrance without spraying it. This one I cannot sit, like I can't smell anything. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on because I don't have anything on today. Ooh. This is good. Oh, this is good. Okay, I smell a little bit of the cinnamon, but it's not strong at all. But it's not strong. I smell more vanilla bourbon than, oh, this is nice. This is very smooth. It's not sweet. Very warm. Sandalwood, that's also what I'm getting. It has sandalwood, vanilla bourbon, creamy cinnamon butter, and magnolia. Yeah. Very cozy and smooth and warm, but not super sweet. Last time I checked, this was only available online. I don't know if it's in Sephora stores yet, but if it is, definitely go in there and smell it for yourself. Okay, the last few things I got were lip products, as if I need any more lip products. So Amande has a new shade. I love, love, love their lip oils. Like, they call it their lip oil, but it's like really glossy. It kind of reminds me of the MAC lip glass. But this is in the shade Peach. No, Happy. But it's like a peach shade. But yeah, it's the Lip Treatment Oil by Amande. And this is the color. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty, y'all? Okay. I'm going to swatch a little bit of it on my hand. But, oh, that's so pretty. Wow, that's pretty. So, so pretty. But if you never tried their treatment oils, definitely try them. They have quite a few shades. They have clear if you don't like color. But honestly, these are not like super duper pigmented on the lips. But this color, this is my type of nude. Like, it doesn't even look super duper peachy. It looks more like a caramelly brown peachy color, if that makes sense. And then the last two shades or lip products I got are from NARS. Honestly, I can't remember the last time I shopped for NARS lip products. It's been a while. But for some reason, I wanted to go back to using their glosses. This is the Turkish Delight. If you know, you know. This pink is the pink. Okay, it's like the cutest baby doll pink gloss. So I got that. I'll swatch it. I had this years ago, and this is like yeah, it's the same. It looks the same. So, same. So that's what it looks like. I'll actually put just a little bit on my lips because this is gonna go with what I have on right now, which is honestly nothing. I just have on a gloss and a brown liner. Well, a clear gloss and a brown liner. But look how pretty that is. So cute. I missed this. Chelsea Girls is another shade that I used to get a few years ago. Well, that I used to use a few years ago. And I noticed that that color doesn't look the same as it did. Like, Chelsea Girls now is more brown. Back then, like a few years ago, it was more like a pink. It was kind of like this, I feel like. Not as pink as this, but the Chelsea Girls that I saw in store was more of a brown color instead of like a pinky color. And then I got a lipstick. Well, this is the Afterglow Sensual Shine lipstick. This is actually the lightest shade, but I got it to pair with the gloss and a brown liner, and I think it's gonna look so pretty. This is in the shade Breathless. These are sheer. They're not pigmented at all, and usually when I get a sheer lipstick, I can go for the lighter shade because it's easy to mix in with a liner, but this is how it looks. And I'll swatch this one too. The lighting is not the best in this video, y'all. I don't know why I started filming in this room today, but that's what the lipstick looks like. It's like a nice peachy nude color. Very creamy, glossy, but they are really, really sheer. But that's all I got, girl. That is everything I picked up. Definitely take advantage of the 20% off, especially if you are not Rouge status. Like the last time that they had the sale, only Rouge can get 20% off, but now it's for everybody. So definitely take advantage of that, because there's only like a few days left for this. And again, this is a one-time use. You can't get it more than once. So definitely take advantage of that, because they don't do this often. I know they do the savings event every year, but when was the last time they did 20% off for everybody? Maybe it was last holiday season. I don't forgot, girl. I'm gonna know. Listen, I'm gonna know. Anyway, that is all that I have for today's mini haul. I hope you enjoyed. I will have everything that I shared in the description for you guys if you want to check it out for yourself. And yeah, what did you put in your cart if you are shopping this sale? Because I want to know. Y'all know I always want to know what you're putting in your cart or what you have your eye on. So let me know. Let's talk about it down below in the comments. That is it. That is all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.